Hello, crypto. Welcome to another episode of Crypto Rules Everything Around Me. Cream. Follow the cream. Get closer to your dream. This channel is created for technical analysis, educational purposes, and entertainment only. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take anything I say here as financial advice. Everything's strictly my opinion, and it's a way for me to track the portfolio my portfolio in the crypto market. Okay, guys, another big red down day for BTC. All right. As you can see on as per fiatleak.com, BTC is down 7.81% at 19,401. I didn't expect it to break below 22,000, 21,000, but it is a crypto market. Anything's possible. That's why I never leave whenever people ask, oh, like, is it gonna go lower? I would say, well, I am bullish at this range, but at the same time, like, you can never count it out because Bitcoin moves so fast, right? So it could probably dip down even lower, but at the same time, I am now more bullish in the altcoins, and I'll show and explain why. I even told some of my friends yesterday. I did put a long position on BTC at 22,000, but that's just me as per my TA analysis and my fundamentals. I don't follow other people's the majority of the people or the consensus. Whenever I see everybody else talking bearish, I try to look for a reversal. But again, this is just based on my knowledge, based on my fundamentals, and based on my technical analysis. All right, it is Saturday, June 18th, and sorry, let me continue on the Fiat Leak website. With a current price of 19,426 and a high of 21,232 and a low of 18,988. Right, and I'm pretty sure in CoinMarketCap we will see the market cap pretty sure dropped even more. Yeah, so here it is. Market cap is at 845 billion. We're not even in the trillions anymore. I think my last video we were at just a little over 900 billion. So we dropped another 50 billion in the last few days. But as you can see here, right, I feel like the big shift is happening. Again, this is just based on my fundamentals and technical analysis point of view, just because usually whenever we see Bitcoin drop 7 to 10%, we see the alts get destroyed with like another 15 up to, and some even like 30% losses, right? But as you can see, they're holding their own. Bitcoin is down 7-8%, Ethereum 8%, while the other ones, BNB is only down 6%, Cardano is only down 4%, XRP with only 5%, with Solana 4%. So all coins are holding their own. Could this be the big shift? I'm hoping so. Is it the altcoin season? I'm hoping so. Again, this is just based on my knowledge and technical analysis. I don't follow what the other people are doing. I look at my own way to trade trade the market on my own terms. All right. So let's look at CoinTrader Pro. I'm pretty sure there's no significant news here. Everything's been announced earlier this week with the inflation rate going up. Layoff numbers are increasing, but for some reason the U.S. said that they've been hiring, and the hiring numbers have been higher than layoffs. But I'm pretty sure the next quarter will be significantly higher on the layoffs. So let's look at Bitcoin for the day. Like I said, I've already put a long call in 22,000, so I am losing, but that's just me. That's just my trade. But the structure, I thought we were seeing a structure on Bitcoin. And to back it up, I am seeing a lot more structure on the altcoins again. This is why I am saying maybe the big shift is happening and the altcoins decoupling. When we're here at this candle yesterday, I thought this was not the bottom, but the support. And it was going up, but then the last few hours of the day, it did take a big dip, and it's making lower lows. So now that structure that I thought was forming right here, it is now broken as a support at 20,000 is broken, and MACD, the gap between the green line and the red line is still big, and the RSI is making lower lows as well. So price in lower lows and RSI with lower lows. And the next support level I am seeing, all right, since we broke down this big, the main support that I thought was going to hold, which I was wrong, but it's okay. My holdings are not mainly on Bitcoin, it is mostly in the altcoins, right? So this is the next support level that Bitcoin will have. It's around 17,000. If I went to touch the lower part of this area, this consolidation here, you could hit 16,000. But you know what? This support level is a lot bigger or longer than this one right here, right? This was the one I was scared of the most, around 24 to 21,000. And since it broke below it, it went down fast because there was no support level in between them. This support level right here, there's a nice consolidation line. I hope it holds, but again, I'm not cheering for Bitcoin here. I was just here to make some profits on Bitcoin, but the majority of my investments are in the altcoins. All right, so if the support level breaks, if this support level doesn't hold in the 18,000, then yeah, we can go up to 16,000. And worst case, I don't think you guys want to see it. If you're a big Bitcoin maxi right here, this is it right here. 10,000, 9,000, but I'm not gonna put that in. But I hope by then altcoins will have will pop off, and the ones I chose are winners, right? So, and I'll show you guys the structure of what I'm talking about, right? So keep in mind right here. So from 1, 2, 3, 4, we were kind of in this range, right? From 20,000 to 22,000. And as you can see, if I go back right here, see, it was, that support level is not as strong as this one. So it did, once it broke lower, it broke really fast, right? As you can see right here, this nice red candle right here. So for those shorters, congratulations, because if you guys were shorting all the way from 30,000, that's a nice, it's close to almost 50%, 40% gain. 30,000, yeah, divided by 215, yeah. So as you can see, the structure is broken here, as I mentioned, with lower lows, RSI lower low. So let's look at maybe just ADA, since I am a holder of Cardano as well. Again, not financial advice, but this my portfolio is well diversified. I've learned my lessons a few times. You know, in this market, if you don't correct your mistakes, you're an idiot. Because if you keep trying to force things because of your what do you call it, stubbornness, you know, the reason why you make mistakes is try to correct yourself and get better. But if you continue to make the same mistakes, you're just stubborn and you need to put your ego aside and just accept your faults and then just improve, right? So before I used to be, I would only hold maybe 2 bags, but like really big quantities of them, right? But now, then I got burnt a few times, so now, yeah, like as I mentioned, my portfolio is well diversified, and it's on the projects that I believe that will have real use case when Bitcoin is actually fully adopted in the whole world globally. So yeah, I'm not telling you guys to buy the coins I hold, but I'll just show you guys the structure on the altcoins. As you can see right here, there's a daily. Oops, sorry, excuse me. I didn't even delete my previous last analysis on this, but as you can see, look at this. It actually followed my white line, a nice V curve recovery on the stochastic RSI. But let me erase that so I'll make it more clear. So in the Bitcoin daily, let me go back, right, to show you guys. Price action is lower lows, RSI is lower lows. ADA, you can see it's consolidating around this range, and it is forming a nice consolidation in this area, right? It's not making lower lows because it's just currently testing the support in this level. If anything, it's not even touching the support level that it formed when it went down on the day when it had a flash crash right here in May 12. So that's why I'm telling you guys that the structure on the altcoins is a lot stronger than the Bitcoin structure. And with the RSI on the Cardano, it's not making lower lows just as the Bitcoin is. As you can see, the low of the RSI is here. It's actually trending a little bit higher. So if it retests this and goes back up, then I know that RSI is on an uptrend. And as you can see, even right here with the low here, we're still kind of just trending a little bit higher. I'm not saying it's gonna go lower, but it's a lot better than Bitcoin. All right, this is why I think that the big shift is happening. Another bagger I'm holding. A lot of you guys hate on it. I really don't care. It's your money, but this is my money. You guys have your own opinions. No, that's wrong. No way. No way XRP says 60 cents. Let me see. It's going paprika, then maybe there's a big difference in. Yeah, so here with XRP as well, ADA, as you can see, was a lot better structure. With XRP, it's just consolidating in this range while it's not making lower lows. And as you can see, as you can see right here too, with even RSI, right? It is not making lower lows, it is higher lows. So this is just what I'm noticing in the altcoins, right? When I compare to Bitcoin, when Bitcoin is like the main player of all things, whatever it does, usually altcoins follow. But this is what I'm seeing right here. Look, the XRP MACD is a lot better than Bitcoin, where the green line is very close and it's just touching the red line, with RSI forming higher lows. So let me go back again just to make sure you guys see it clearly. Look at that. Look at the MACD right here. Okay, look at that. It's just a downward trend with green and red far apart. So yeah, I'm very hopeful. Another one I'm holding here, guys. If you guys are not holding it, do your own research. Well, not holding, but I'm about to buy it. I've been a holder of this, I think before the end of last year, and then I sold it and I got into some other projects. But it looks like right now is a perfect time for me to enter in XDC. If you guys don't know what it is, do your own research. I'm not here to tell you how to spend your money. It is your investment. But as you can see right here again, right, support level was tested in XDC, and it looks like it's retesting resistance more than it's testing support levels. And I'm seeing a nice MACD about to do a bullish cross with the RSI doing another uptrend. Alright, I can go on showing you guys all different altcoins, but this is just my observation in the last few days. Again, another XLM. I do notice I'm holding a lot of X's, XLM, XRP, XDC, 3 X's, X rated. Anyways, yeah, so XLM, same story, right? Support levels here. It's not making lower lows yet, but from all the 3 charts or 4 charts I've shown you, XRP and XDC and ADA are the most bullish in altcoins right now, currently. So that's just my analysis for today, guys. I'll keep it short and sweet. I know I haven't been doing a lot of videos just because I'm just sitting back, not much to say when the market's going down. I did short earlier last week, but I got out too soon just because I was bullish. And again, I'm entering the market as per my own accord, and it's just the way I see things through my own research and my own analysis. Actually, let me explain to you what a good trade is right now. What a good trade is and what a good trade gone bad is, right? So let me use Bitcoin. I went long on Bitcoin at 22,000 just because with my technical analysis, I saw it retest here and resistant twice, right? One here, and then it went down here. And then I think we tested it here, but then it tanked for the whole day. So when I saw the resistance, I'm going by my own analysis and with my own knowledge that the more you test resistance, the more likely you're going to break up, right? But I entered here this is what I still call a good trade, because it's a good trade because my analysis showed me was testing resistant more than support, and then my RSI was way oversold. Stochastic RSI was way oversold, but the MACD was kind of bearish. So I took the two signals that I saw that I thought would have been good, which I entered oversold, and right now I'm losing, right? So, but it's still what I consider a good trade that's gone bad, just because I didn't trade when it was up here. I waited till it was oversold right here, right? So these are all entry positions and exit positions. So as I executed as per the knowledge of where I think the market was headed, but I should have seen the MACD. I should have waited until MACD looked a little bit more bearish. But that's just me. That's another learning experience. So now I won't get in a trade when I see RSI line up with the MACD. But I still consider it a good trade, again, just because I saw the opportunity in RSI. I saw the opportunity with the stochastic RSI. And I thought the resistance was being tested more than the support, right? So yeah, so that's a good trade gone bad, and a good trade gone good would be an example of, let me put XDC, right? It was pretty bullish. So if I was to trade here, so here's another example of me seeing the resistance being tested more. So the resistance was being tested here, it went down here to test support, but now it closed up here to test resistance, and it's currently testing resistance again, where I see the MACD is about to cross, right? There's a bullish cross happening right here. So if once I see this crossover or the touch or the green touch the red, that's a bullish cross signal with the RSI making higher highs, right? And if I see the RSI test this support, this trend line, and then bounce back, that's another buying signal. And then if I see the next candle being green, showing me that the resistance right here was broken, that is another buy signal. So that's a good trade gone good. So as long as you trade by the knowledge of what you have, as best as you can call based on your analysis. You know, if it goes south, hey, it's just the way the market goes, right? Just because, as long as you follow your own rules, it's still a good trade. But if you just start guessing, saying, "Oh, I'm gonna buy it here," when the RSI is nearly right in the middle, right here. So if you bought right here, right, and you're basically just guessing. So my entry were justified, even though they were wrong. But it is what it is, you know. This is a learning. It's always a learning experience with trading. No matter how many times you think you can get it right, the market will always humble you. So yeah, that's my analysis for today. Again, I am now more bullish on altcoins more than I am with Bitcoin, and I hope you guys enjoy this episode. I'll update as I see any more significant changes happening during the week. But until then, trade carefully, guys. Don't use leverage unless you know what you're doing. And all my trades right now, if I'm using leverage, I'm not really using like high, like 5 or 20. I'm really trying to mitigate risk, especially because I have a trading group with a couple of my friends. So I'm trying to control and not trying to be too aggressive as I used to be. Right? So trade carefully and make some money out there, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace.